Hello, everybody, boys and girls, children of all ages. Eli the Barber coming right at you, talking to you about something that I just found out. You see, on YouTube, you see a lot of barbers opening the blade, replacing the blade of the Wahl Senior, but it was very, very hard for me to find anybody that was actually opening the housing of the Wahl Senior and cleaning it up. Well, guess what? This is how it's done. All right, I would dust it out, but I found easier just to use a little brush right there. As you see, nice and clean inside. It's good to do this every now and then, especially the Wahl Seniors. They tend to get loud. Evidently, the performance is great, but the noise just tends to get louder and louder. So it's good to take care of them deeply, like I am right here. And after you dust them out, it's just 3 screws, and then with a flathead screwdriver, you slide it from the side where the switch is, and just slide it into the on and off switch. All right, now I set up my camera right there because I'm gonna need both of my hands. As you can see, I got some foams that I got myself right there, and I'm just placing the foam around the blade right there, trying to reduce the noise. And this is something that I did with the Wahl peanut years ago, and it worked for me. I don't use the Wahl peanut anymore, but it worked for me with the Wahl peanut, which is another little trimmer that tends to get louder too eventually. So it didn't reduce the noise 100%. It did reduce the noise like 10%, but hey, better than nothing. All right, so leave a comment, subscribe, let me know if you have a better idea to reduce the noise on the Wahl Senior. Eli, and don't forget to thumbs up. Eli the Barber coming right at you. Support your local barber. Thank you.